In this video, we would like to demonstrate the application of the INA116 instrumentation amplifier. The INA116 chip has a specialized usage for pH electrodes. So here we have around a 59 millivolt differential input, which corresponds to a pH value of approximately 1. As observed on the oscilloscope, we have around a 680 to 700 millivolt differential output. The gain is approximately 11.5, which is what we desire. We have tested this gain for several other inputs and outputs, and have observed that our gain is just about constant at 11.5. This gain is important since it is the original value that the 88222 instrumentation amplifier was set to in the original prototype in order to be read to the analog to digital converter. Additionally, we are not receiving any significant amount of noise because we have placed a 0.1 microfarad capacitor at both inputs of the chip. Otherwise, we have fluctuations in our signal with a frequency of standard outlets of 60 Hertz.
So here we'll demonstrate the 60 Hertz frequency that's we got on the oscilloscope. So when I take this 0.1 microfarad capacitor out, we will see that 60 Hertz on the scope right here. Now when we put, well, before we put that, so another thing we found out, when we go above 550 millivolts, we got a lot of fluctuation in our signal. So let's turn this to the input to 550 millivolts. But 5 is very sensitive. And right there. Okay. There we go. It's actually a little more than 550. It's around like 600. But that's the fluctuation we're getting. And when we put the 0.1 microfarad capacitor back between, put it back into our circuit between the two inputs, that takes care of the fluctuations. Now we can see that the fluctuation is gone completely.
Also, we would like to note that this box, along with the wires that surround the amplifier configuration, are shielded to eliminate any environmental noise, such as that caused by fluorescent lights in the room, among others.